Good morning from Charlotte, North Carolina, Technical Associates offices. Today we're going to talk about motion amplification and its applications in general industry. In the last year there's been a new technology called motion amplification, and this technology uses video recordings to record the actual movement, the machine movement. This can be very helpful in many applications for troubleshooting problems such as mechanical looseness, misalignment, or even common problems trying to confirm unbalance. Many applications we've used at Technical Associates at general pulp and paper industries would be the identification of soft foot because of missing or inadequate support from the shims of the feet, motor feet, and also for larger industrial apparatuses. So for machine feet support, we've identified many soft foot applications using the motion amplification. Motion amplification is also very useful when giving reports to customers because the report becomes visual, and it's very easy for the customer to actualize and respond to the information they're being given. So the next time you have a vibration concern, you may want to consider using motion amplification.